Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to move install a game or software to another drive in Windows 10 or Windows 11. First, you just need to navigate the game or software its installed location. You can find using search. Go to search menu and type software name or game name. For example, I just type in Google Chrome, just right click and select open file location. Again right click and select open file location because it is shortcut. And now this is the games or programs location, guys. After you are in and this is for normal users, and for Epic Games or Steam users, you just need to right click on the game and select properties, go to install files and select this browse option, and this is the game's location. Just copy the file path like this, and then check my video description for this command. Just paste it in robocopy in source. Just paste it like this. After pasting it, now you just need to go to the location where you want to move this game file. I need to move in another drive. Just double click on the drive and now copy this drive path and paste it in destination. Right click and paste it. And now copy the game folder name like this, game or program folder name, and paste it next to this hash. After pasting it, do the same thing, just to copy this source and destination and paste it in here, guys, in mklink. After pasting it, commands are ready, guys. Now we just need to close stuff here and go to search menu and type cmd, right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now copy and paste this command one by one. Just paste the first command, and you just need to wait for this command to get done, guys. Depends on the game or program size, it will take time. In my case, the game is small, so this process is so fast. After this completed, as you can see, completed, copy and paste the second command and press enter. Now as you can see, the second command also completed. And now just to close off the command prompt and go to the location where we saved the game. Just double click on the D drive, and this is the game, as you can see. Double click on it and now open the game, and it's going to open without having any problem, guys. As you can see, using this way you can move any installed games or software to another drive without having any problem. And don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.